Hey everyone! Today, we're gonna be riding the epic movie ride at Universal Studios Roblox. So let's go!
Special effects, including strobe lights and loud audio moments that some may find uncomfortable. Please remain seated at all times. This attraction is a slow-moving dark ride through some of cinema's favorite movie moments. Please note
Welcome,
that this attraction...
and thank you for joining us through this exciting adventure. And now, say it with me. Lights, camera, action. Our first step is the Wild, Wild, Wild West. A first effort at creating cinematic movie pictures. Cowboys dominated the film industry in its infancy with dramatic shootouts and intense stunts. Of course, not all films are made to be amusing. Some thrive for terror.
My latest creation will advance the human race! Pull the lever! My creation! It's alive! It's alive!
Children of the night, what music they make. My blood flows through your veins.
Looks like he wants us out of here. Let's travel into the tranquil seaside village of Amity.
You are clear for departure, Amity 6. Enjoy your trip. Amity 6, you copy? Do not enter the maintenance shed.
It's time to go back. Back to the past.
Great Scott! Marty! I've discovered a way to go back! Whatever you do, don't go 88!
This is KF 199.0. He is loose in Manhattan. Police ask that all residents leave the city immediately.
We've made it back to the studio. Looks like they're getting ready to start filming a new scene in the city set. As you can see, the movie-making business can be quite chaotic. But if you have the guts, anyone can make it in Hollywood. And that's a wrap. On behalf of everyone, we thank you for joining us in this cinematic adventure. See you in the movies.
The moving walkway exit is approaching. Please watch your step.
Alright guys, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!